problem. Now he's gonna be back to being nervous.
No.
He's in
Like
a
I
three-man.
see you.
everybody
I see him. I see him take him.
Hanzo on backline, keeping the shield up. It's half.
Can't get you hogged. Careful.
Backing up the point.
Just back. Yeah, let's go back to point.
Alright,
Drop one.
Kree down.
They have a mercy.
It's pushing right.
No. They have Zen. Zen 1, Zen 1.
I need help
Hanzo's
with
going
Ryan.
right side by the Mega.
Hanzo got me. Hanzo to your right.
I get this one. Right.
Reloading.
I need help with Ryan.
Ryan's asleep.
Nice job. Nice job. There's May here.
No, I'm not here, but I'm about to get there.
What is area? Say hello.
Got him. Or got Zinni.
Sorry, down.
I got my ult already.
I
Guys.
need to regen. Almost have slam.
So they'll probably have a dragon this push, but they might save it.
Stay close right there, guys. Stay right there.
They might save it for grab, depending on how good the Zarya is.
Zen's one.
You'll be fine.
You guys are
Hanzo's to the right. Hanzo's to the right.
This will help. Take your mistake.
We back up a little bit.
Say on the right.
You guys are ahead of the statue as well. I can't get you up there.
They're down 2.
Nice.
Nice shot.
I'm marking on my ult again.
I have slam. Actually, we have 4 right now.
Can we step back a little bit?
Yep.
Yeah,
Play
back
behind
up.
statue.
Yep.
Because they're gonna have an ult and they're gonna pick one of us off.
Yeah,
They're gonna have
Zarya
grab
ult.
dragons, probably.
Let me know if they go top left.
Okay. Yeah, Rhyme's coming up too
Can you
fast.
wall him?
Yeah.
Rain on the right.
I got dragons.
Okay.
You're down 4. Yeah. That.
We might be able to steal to.
Much better.
No.
Probably hold
Wait,
him in this corner.
Yeah, hold choke. Oh,
Oh
Lucio.
no!
Okay, fucking go in.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, let's do
Big
this.
shatter. Big shatter.
Nice. Nice.
Oh.
Both heals are
oh.
down. Reinhardt.
Zarya 1, Zarya 1.
Get the ram. Get the ram.
Zarya down.
Beautiful. Good job, Lucio.
Holy
What?
fuck, dude.
Who killed me?
That's
You
a
gotta
new
be
one for
kidding me,
me.
dude. Man.
Another gift.
That just happened to work.
You guys are fucking serious. Dude, that was so ballsy.
It's Ryan's birthday. I got my ult too, guys.
Alright.
They have Winston and Dio.
They only have 20 seconds to drop.
Hey, let's just wait on point. Just wait on point. Come.
You're going up top. Top left.
15 seconds.
He's coming right side. Oh, I don't think Diva bombed yet.
Yeah, they're gonna have it.
Cancel top left.
Monkey's on point. 2 are coming left side. Shield up.
Magri.
Fuck.
Take more than
Oh,
that to
man.
keep me out of the fight.
Jay.
That's why I like to use like the blizz like ahead of the point just to stall them, see if we can delay it.
Their Moira's just standing still on the.
Can you drop?
Let's group up. Group up.
Just a scratch.
I have a chaser.
Diva's above. Diva's
Winston
above.
dead.
Let's take
Alright, she
this.
dropped him in.
Take this
Cancel
corner.
top right.
I'm with you.
Cancel it.
We're up 2, push up. Push
How many
up on
with me?
them.
Now the battle wall. The monkey's won, though.
Let's go. Tracer on the left.
We got Moria and Zenny on the right side over here.
We're down 1 heal.
I can't get up there.
Oh,
You guys are going too far.
alright, guys. I thought we were pushing up.
Nope.
Diva's coming through the left. Diva's on our Ana. Alright, she backed up.
I have ult again.
Tracer on the right.
On this
Back up
top right.
tight.
Tracer on recall.
Tracer's in the circle room.
Tracer on dead.
Are we whole?
Yeah, I'm gonna stop.
About to be. About to be. About to be.
It's behind.
Down. Then got me.
He's asleep. Oh, thank you.
They all ulted you. Moira's weak.
Right, they have a heal
We're still
down.
behind.
Try and get there. And
We're on top.
Thank you.
You're not getting rid of me that
Ooh, nice.
big.
I'm one.
Trying to come in.
Jenny's frozen.
Nice.
We still have Nano.
I'm close to Bob too.
Halfway to.
Diva might have bomb.
She's used it.
No.
She
Can't
used
Just use it? Okay.
Yeah, dude. No way. They're going right side.
I don't. They
Fall
probably
back
have
to point.
bombs though.
Tracer comes on top. You are low.
Get in there.
We need to get on point, guys. No one's up.
Monkey, I need help, Monkey one, Diva, more behind. You guys are low.
Baby.
I'm not ready to hang it up.
Score 0-1. Switching sides. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
They're gonna run a bastion.
Is that your spider sense?
Seems to be the pattern, like whenever they don't get a good push on offense, they just go cheese comp to try to hold us at the first point. More often than not.
Never stop fighting. Miss Smoking.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
There's nothing I haven't seen before. Stick together. We will complete our mission.
Still in bottom left.
It's called the Vikings.
I don't know if the new guy knows this. Or Lucio carry.
He is the internet man.
Attack commences.
See where they're set up.
Top right.
Diva,
No bastion.
go left, right to point.
Monkey's
Left, right
half
to
point.
point.
He's half.
We're on point.
He's asleep.
Got him.
Down. Both heals.
I'm
You on you, Hanso.
Should I
You
just
guys
die?
are there with no heals.
Go back. I'll go.
You might want to go triple support and bash them. We don't get the picks early.
Q.
They're down to Hanzo. Trying to get to you.
Jenny's one, dude.
Sitting here.
Alright, I'm here.
We're left side, Dan.
We're going left side. Yep.
I'll go
He's
low.
purple.
Shield's up. Just use it.
Can't get you through the shield.
I get melted.
I'm gonna keep behind us here.
Who's with me?
Real. Push in, push in.
Damn it, dude.
Two behind point. Naxxramas. One's above point.
He heals.
Help out right, help out right.
She's the only
I'm one.
Go to the side, go to the side.
Fuck.
You were stuck in there, I couldn't.
I'm cock blocked by Diva and
Yeah.
McCree on the right. I have Shatter.
I'm almost there.
You're in a Winston shield. Pull out, pull out.
We need to regroup. We went in there staggered the first time.
I have rally.
We should crush this team. They have no Rhine, no Orisa.
Alright, we're here.
Let's go. Diva's gonna have bomb.
Which side? Which side? Left?
Left.
Two up top.
They're all up top. A fucking bubble.
Cancel top
Monkey
left.
behind the sleep, monkey behind me sleep. Hands up top.
Cancel. Cancel low.
Focus on point. Mora.
Putting shots on more.
Zen's at choke taking shots.
Monkey.
Diva's asleep.
Diva. Diva 1.
No power down. Get in there.
Monkey's purple.
I'm on.
Get this any, get this any. Do not boop him, dude.
Oh, you guys should push up. I'll get cart.
Escort the payload.
Should just go bash and melt them.
I have rally, so just pull up.
You can go with them, Lucio. Or I'll go with them. If you want to get cart.
Oh! My crease.
Where is my guy?
Keep
Drop
going.
down.
He's up top.
Down.
I got him.
Hanzo's up top
He's
as
down.
well.
Anzo, let me get him.
Keep going, I got you. Keep going. We have two supports.
Okay.
Diva. Get Diva. Diva
I'm
first.
discorded.
You're okay. Push up.
Just fight. It's okay.
You got no Matrix?
Purple Ryan. Yeah,
Jenny's one.
good job, Lucio. You the man. Genji's up top. He's on cart with Lucio. He's purple.
Back up a little bit.
Genji's the one up top.
Alright, I got you.
Genji's the one above cart.
Push him.
Watch for Shatter.
Yeah.
Down.
Mira low.
Get him. He's walled.
I knew
One.
you were gonna do that.
One.
Try and get the Genji. Genji's gonna ult.
Where is he?
Can you see
Doing
low?
you guys.
Sorry, one.
We got it.
Sorry, still one.
Keep going.
Nice.
Don't leave. Let Jan get his
Yeah, get the cell phone camera out.
First time. Had to at least get 16 points, right?
Play of the game.
Is this
Oh,
play game?
play of the game? I mean,
Do you have enough to
Sending
get
my
your?
PayPal after.
Do you have enough for a golden gun yet?
I think I'm at 2,000.
here we go.
Shit.
I think I'm gonna be at 2,800. Which is pretty sick.
$26.32.
2508.
Yeah.
Nice. Thanks, guys. awesome. It's just crazy to think that like all I had played before was like McCree, Soldier, Reaper. Never would touch the tanks. Just like, alright, fuck it, just reboot. Start over. Start playing tanks.
Still going or what?
Oh, I'm never gonna play comp again. I don't know what you're talking.
We made it. We made it, baby.
I'm done. Selling this account.
Rich syndrome.